Hey there, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today I'll be showing you our 7-inch high-performance resistive touchscreen HMI, the cMT3072X2. Let's take a look. Okay, this is what it'll look like when you first open the box. You'll see the warranty as well as the installation guide. Then there's the cMT3072X2. It's wrapped in anti-static. Also within the anti-static there is a protective screen cover with the HMI. Then there are also some accessories that come with the HMI. There are mounting brackets and screws, as well as a USB stick clamp and a tying strap. Now I'm going to remove the HMI from the anti-static plastic. Here is the cMT3072X2. It is a 7-inch TFT LCD 800 by 480 resolution resistive touchscreen, and it has an operating temperature of 0 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. On the back of the HMI, there is a battery compartment for a CR2032 battery. Then on the bottom of the HMI, there are 2 RJ45 Ethernet LAN ports for uploading, downloading, going online with your HMI, also used for various Ethernet protocols. Then there is a USB 2.0 host port used for uploading, downloading. It's used for extended memory, so you can use it for backing up your files. Then there are 2 DE9 serial COM ports used for various serial protocols. And finally, there is a detachable green power connector used for 24-volt DC power supply. Okay, now I'm going to power on the HMI. So I have a power supply going into the cMT device. And I also have an Ethernet cable going into LAN 2 because a little later on, I'm going to download a project from EBPro onto the HMI. So I'm going to turn on my power supply. And you'll see the cMT series logo, and then it will load the project onto the HMI. Now we're looking at cMT Viewer, and this is the demo project on the HMI. So I'm going to walk you through some of the features in the demo here in cMT Viewer, and then I'll go into VNC, and I'm going to remote into the HMI to show you the system settings, and then you'll also see the system settings on the actual HMI. So I'm going to walk through some of the features here in the demo project. I'm going to click on switches and lamps. And here you can turn bits on and off. You can toggle, you can use the toggle down here. You can use the multi-state switch to jog up and down. Change the state of the word lamp. You can use the switches down here. So you can play around with this page here. Now let's go home, let's go to trend display. Here is a simulated trend display. Recipe database, click the arrow. You can see an example of recipe here. Alarm, you can see examples of alarms here. Go home again. So now I'm going to go into VNC Viewer to show you the system settings. Now I'm in VNC Viewer, so the larger screen is VNC. In the bottom right corner is the actual HMI. So I'm going to go into the system settings and use my mouse in VNC. If you click this top left corner button, it'll open the system settings. And now I'm also going to use the resistive touchscreen and use my stylus. So here are some of the settings you can see without entering an admin password. In order to see all the settings, you need to enter that password. To do that, you want to click the lock icon up here, and then the password by default is 6 ones. So 111, 111. Then drop down the keypad and press OK. And now you can see all of your system settings. I'm going to go back to my mouse in VNC Viewer. Click the information. You can see your HMI name, you can see your IP address, and then click back. Code Assist, you'll need a separate license for. General, here you can adjust the brightness on your HMI. You can see in the bottom right corner. Turn it back up. Sound, you can turn your sound on and off. Show mouse cursor, show start button, you can turn those off. Go back. Network, you can change your IP address here. Time and date. HMI name, you can change the name of your HMI, clear history, you can clean a recipe, you can clean a recipe database, event log, data log, operation log, etc. Project management, you can restart your EBPro project. System password, you can change it from 6 ones to something of your choosing. Enhanced security, you can add more security to your HMI. VNC, you can enable VNC and also set a password for VNC. Easy Access 2.0, you'll need a separate license for. Language, you can change the language. Input method. Printer, OS upgrade and reset options allows you to reset the HMI to default settings. Those are all the settings in your HMI. Now I want to download a project from EBPro onto the HMI. So let's go into EBPro. Here in EBPro, I first want to show you the hundreds of Ethernet and serial driver protocols you can choose in your project. To do that, you want to go to the System Parameters tab, New Device/Server, then Device Type, click the arrow here, and here are 400 plus Ethernet and serial protocol drivers. You can see all the drivers here, and also you can click Device Type and use the drop-down arrow, and you can see all of those drivers here. You can choose it to add to your project. Now I'm going to download this project to the HMI, and to do that, go to Project, Download. Make sure you have the correct IP address here, and check off Runtime if you're downloading for the first time. Click Download, and it'll take some time for the project to download to the HMI. You can look in the bottom right corner in the camera feed of the HMI. It'll say Stop Project Now, Download CXOB, Update project now, extracting. It'll say reboot HMI, and it'll say wait for project ready on the HMI itself. Then it'll say finish in EBPro, and then it'll load the demo project onto the HMI. Well, that's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our HMI CMT line, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Also, be sure to watch the EBPro video training series located under the Support tab in the Video Center on the Maple Systems website. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.